Welcome to Techtopia X, where we genuinely test, review, and break down products to help you spend smarter, not harder. The product link is in description. If you love chewable nugget ice and want a premium countertop machine that can keep up with family gatherings, home bars, parties, and everyday drinks, the GoveeLife Smart Nugget Ice Maker Pro is one of the most advanced options available right now. But is this product really worth buying? What do the numbers actually mean in real-world use? And why is it becoming such a popular choice among nugget ice fans? Let's take a closer look. The headline feature is speed. GoveeLife claims the first batch of nugget ice is ready in as little as 6 minutes, which is incredibly fast for a countertop nugget ice maker. Behind that performance is a high-efficiency compressor, advanced thermal exchange system, and a DC motor designed to deliver quick ice production while keeping noise levels under control. Independent reports and manufacturer specifications both confirm the 6-minute startup time and up to 60 pounds of daily ice production. Now, what does 60 pounds per day actually mean? For most households, it's far more ice than you'll ever need. Whether you're filling coolers, serving guests, making smoothies, or keeping multiple drinks cold throughout the day, this machine has the capacity to keep producing ice consistently without struggling to keep up. The system can generate roughly 2.5 pounds of ice per hour under ideal conditions. Another standout feature is the dual water tank design. You get a built-in 2.2-liter tank along with a removable 4.9-liter water tank, helping reduce refill frequency and allowing longer operation between top-offs. Combined with a 3.5-pound ice basket, this makes the machine especially convenient during parties and gatherings. Of course, nugget ice quality is the real reason many people buy a machine like this. The GoveeLife Pro creates soft, chewable nugget ice that's dense enough to last in drinks while still delivering that satisfying texture nugget ice lovers enjoy. The stainless steel evaporator helps create a more consistent shape and texture compared to many traditional countertop ice makers. One of the most impressive numbers here is the 40 decibel operating noise level. For comparison, that's around the level of a quiet library. GoveeLife's AI NoiseGuard technology actively monitors and reduces unwanted sounds, helping the machine stay remarkably quiet while producing ice. For kitchens, apartments, home offices, or entertainment areas, that quieter operation can make a noticeable difference. The smart features also help this ice maker stand out. Through the app, you can monitor ice production, receive maintenance reminders, schedule operation, and manage settings remotely. Voice control compatibility adds another layer of convenience, allowing hands-free operation when you're busy preparing meals or hosting guests. Maintenance is designed to be simple as well. The machine includes 2 self-cleaning modes, including a quick 10-minute cleaning cycle and a deeper 30-minute descaling mode. That means less manual work and more consistent performance over time. In terms of build quality, the unit measures approximately 21.22 inches long, 13.98 inches wide, and 17.01 inches high, weighing about 42.4 pounds. A large 4.45-inch curved touchscreen provides easy access to controls, while customizable RGBIC lighting adds a modern premium look to your countertop setup. So why is this such a popular choice? It's the combination of rapid 6-minute ice production, massive 60-pound daily capacity, ultra-quiet 40 dB operation, dual water tanks, smart app connectivity, self-cleaning functionality, and premium nugget ice quality. When all those features come together in one machine, it creates an experience that feels far beyond a typical countertop ice maker. If you want to check it out yourself, the link's down below. Thanks for watching Techtopia X. The product link is in description. If you found this helpful, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.